Give your skin the hydration boost that it needs with Laneige's Water Bank range that helps to replenish and revive your skin. Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream is a 300% full repair and moisturizing solution with Blue Hyaluronic Acid that works thoroughly to reveal healthy skin. It helps to powerfully repair the damaged skin barrier and relieve the skin from redness induced by external irritation. I have started using the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream in my morning and evening routine, and you can start it from today too. Regardless of how busy your daily life may be or what life may throw at you, Laneige is here to help you move forward with confidence. This natural and watery formula provides all the hydration to my skin, and as the true hydration experts, Laneige have created advanced water complexes dedicated to create smarter skincare solutions for you. The Lip Sleeping Mask is a unique formulation that helps dissolve dead skin cells and moisturize your lips while you sleep. Wake up to the softest lips ever.